A quick demonstration on this stain over dye technique that I'm fond of for mission style furniture. So the Transtint dyes come in a lot of great colors. We're going to show a golden brown today. Now you can mix that in water. I chose to mix mine in a non-grain raising solution, and this can be wiped on with a rag, or if I have a large project, what I'll usually do is I'll use a staining sponge, and that's just a terry cloth wrapped sponge to minimize drips and things like that. But you got to work pretty quickly to avoid lap marks and witness marks. But boy, look at that instantly beautiful color you get. We'll also show it with the application of a gel stain on top, but just the dye alone, what a beautiful color. What you need to do though is just apply it and walk away. Don't keep going over and over it again, because it will give you a much darker color than what you're going for. Next, just a light coat of a shellac sanding sealer. Now I would typically apply this with a spray rig, just because if you have to brush a large project, it can lift some of the dye coloring up. So spraying would always be better, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll just quickly brush on that shellac. So with our initial dye color that's now been sealed in with shellac, we'll apply the gel stain. Now it looks a little bit thick and heavy at first, but don't worry, this will get wiped back to a beautiful color. The dye underneath is what's going to provide the colors that shimmer through, and then the gel stain is going to provide the overall darkening effect. I also want to wipe some gel stain directly on the raw white oak so we can compare the overall effect. And just look at that beautiful effect you get using multiple products. The dye sealed in with a layer of shellac, and then that gel stain over the top. I call it a stain over dye finish, and it's one I lean on time and time again for my mission and arts and crafts style furniture. So on this side we have the antique walnut gel stain only on raw wood. On this side we have the dye applied underneath, sealed with the coat of shellac, and then topped up with the gel stain. So with just a little patience, there's one nice way to get a mission finish for your furniture projects.